Legal series, I would like to talk about a conflict in the South China Sea. The South China Sea, in the perspective of the international law, if we take South China Sea, there consists of more islands, and the problems are biggest one. The problems now have been aggravated by the China interference. Usually, China is always claiming that also under its own expansion policy, all the islands cares because all the islands are resourceful. The China is also best for fishing. In the world, 60% of the best fishing is done there. So that the China is claiming all the areas into it. And whatever comes in the expansion theory of the China is worst. It can't be controlled by the international law. As far as the UNO is concerned, UNO is concentrating under the international law that's also on the South China Sea waters. Here, the Taiwan, Philippines, Malaysia, and the Fiji, and more countries are coming there. And they are claiming their own also islands, their own land, and their own water, everything. But the China is also disclaiming, also really escaping the Lord Sea. And it's one of the Samsung demand and one expansion policy is claiming a more nation and nations islands and also water and subsequent waters in the within. So which is very dangerous. And for that purpose that is also really the China is ready to do anything despite intervention by the USA itself also. But in the status quo is not being maintained by the China interference. But as far as the international law is concerned, it couldn't do anything in the South China Sea works. But now the should stand very strict also in implementing in international law in this area because most international countries are concerned with it. The flips of China, there's also really always seen there. So those should be controlled at any cost. So South China Sea, that's also really is very important area to be protected by the under the international law. Thank you.